Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than previous video. It's going to be a daily analysis in terms of what's currently happening in the markets. So as of right now, you can clearly see that our portfolio is down almost 8 to 9%. It's been a pretty red day. I've had to move my position a couple times in terms of my credit spreads. But yeah, the markets have been pretty red lately. We can go to the week. I'm currently down almost 22%, almost $1,000, 919 currently. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. I'm not worrying, honestly. I'm just gonna keep buying and holding. This is a sale, if you think about it. But I'm pretty bummed out about these positions right here. I'm just gonna keep moving them on until they can break either break even or collateral, because I'm still collecting premiums from them. But yeah, so as of right now, the markets have been red lately. There's a lot of speculation of a house market crash or a housing crisis in that area. Speculative rate hikes from the Fed and their meeting next month. There's just a bunch of things going on. And the most important thing is Michael Burry. I'll put him on the screen right now. You probably know him from his movie The Big Short. He took a large sum position and switched his account and did something crazy. Like, he's known for doing crazy things, but I'll show you really quickly in this article right here. So Michael Burry from The Big Short, he made a bunch of money from essentially creating something new in the market. So he was betting against it. He was like the first person to short a market, especially the housing market, which no one ever did ever until he did it. So he just bet $1.6 billion on a stock market crash. This is a crazy amount of money. And to be honest, it kind of low-key manipulated the markets on Monday open. Like, the first news I got was this. Like, I woke up Monday, pre-market is like, yo, Michael Burry just took a 1.6 billion position against SPY and QQQ. So, essentially, on Monday, we were, the news came out that he took a position in SPY and QQQ. So, essentially, he bought 866 million put options. Put options, $866 million. That is insane. $866 million against just like the SPY. I get that the SPY is it's like overvalued right now. Everything's super high after the pandemic and all that, but that's crazy, man. So essentially, he moved his 90% of his portfolio to make this bet in a market downturn, according to the filings. But yeah, so that's 866 million put options for SPY, and then for QQQ, he neatly put. Oh wait, my bad. It's the other way around. I think. It's S&P and oh my bad. 739. I was right the first time. 739 million in put options against the Nasdaq 100. So against the Nasdaq, against SPY, and then we started off the day. Let's see, and they're both notch big gains for this year. They're up nearly 16 and 38% respectively. So 38% of $1.6 billion. I'll let you guys do the math, and we'll see how much money that is. It's a shit ton of money. That's all I gotta let you know. And then there's a bunch of news everywhere coming out. For example, the Argentina disaster where they had to cut certain amount of meats, like they can't import them or export them, my bad, because their currency is currently crashing, and the U.S. has to send them money, which creates more inflation because you have to print more money, and so on and so on. Then after that, we have the China crisis and the regional banks and all that financial disasters. I'll let you guys catch up. There's a bunch of articles out there in the internet. But yeah, it's insane what's going on in the market. So if we go to TradingView right now, we can see that pretty much, what's Monday, Tuesday? Monday open. We were trading around $448 on the SPY. And then we decided in the past 2 days just to drop almost 2%, 1.9%, which is almost 2%. We go over here and click on SPY, and we go to the weekly. It's down 2.14% respectively. So it's a lot, to be honest. And sometimes I question is yo, that's so much money. You can low-key be manipulating the markets. I know we are overbought right now, but that type of news scares a lot of new investors. And since he's a legendary investor in the community, they just take his advice or mirror his trades. and who knows, maybe it'll work. But like, just imagine that. Like, imagine you two puts like $800 million worth of puts, or just $1.6 billion worth of puts, which means your position is leveraged. So that's times 100. Then after doing that, imagine that SPY just it goes down for 2 to 3 days consecutively, or like, like it's pretty intense and a pretty good return on investment if you ask me. You probably cash in a nine. It depends again on the strike prices on these puts. I'm not sure how like in the money or out the money he went, but still just a lot of money. So if he's leveraging this shit, like we're talking about easily making $700 million, or almost even doubling his original position. So bro's making bank. That's all you gotta know. If he cashed out right now, bro, probably like 1.5x his money, or even doubled it. To be honest, like even if SPY didn't crash that hard compared to previous years, and it also depends how far out he bought. If he bought these puts even higher on August 1st, to be honest, we're talking about a huge difference, like compared to that 1%, 2% gain or loss for the options. We're talking about almost a 4%, so we're doubling it. So it depends when he got in and what strike prices he chose, but still, it's pretty insane. But that's pretty much the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. It's just a little information about what's going on in the markets. Hope you guys have a fantastic week, or what's left of it, and hope you guys make some gains some way, shape, or form, and just stay safe out there, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.